guys, it's 1FM. Welcome to my video. So for today guys, we are playing Guess My Number with my freaking sister. Wait. Mag-join pa lang ako yaw. Mag-join pa lang siya. Oh.
1 billion. 100 pa kasi na.
Ayun na. Ano tayo? Hanap tayo. Ito.
Video po.
Ikaw babae ka. Ay, sorry.
So guys, maglalaro tayo
Okay.
ng Guess My Number 67. Stop with the 67.
Okay, bro,
Left.
stop.
Who freaking left us in 2025. Maybe just choose one.
I'm not gonna choose one. What the freak? Know what I'm thinking, though.
Let's fail.
Let's choose a 50. Higher. I think
Just like 90.
What is low?
Try to choose 90 or 70. Just try 80.
6, 7. Okay,
Just try 80.
we're freaking 100, no?
Believe me. Just choose 90 or 80.
Okay, bro.
Yes. Finally, I'm going. Oh,
Okay, bro. Dang. 75, I guess.
Nice. Pero higher, cool. Ate Jojo.
Bro, do not stop.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I'm back. Sorry about that, my freaking sister. Are you freaking kidding me?
Oh, you're so lucky.
I will cook right now.
50 turns.
Oh, it's 77.
Oh
my
God,
God.
it's 77.
Let's go!
Let's go play.
Okay, bro. Do not look at my number. Don't look at my number. Let's choose this one. Up to 1,000. Here. Am I recording or not? I don't know why I'm recording or not. I'm recording. Hello. Stop looking down. 6, 7. I know you're gonna pick 6, 7. Because you said it. Nah, just kidding. Just gonna pick. What number is this? Let's go for 500. What did you pick?
Lower.
I don't care, bro. I'm recording right now.
This.
Look at my chair, it's pretty sick. Gonna choose 250. 370.
How many? Maybe now.
I pick a number. Not telling you. Sorry guys, I just made it. Sorry, I muted it. Ouch. Are you copying me?
No.
I think you're freaking copying, nothing.
Coming, Armin? No. Armin, coming me? No.
I think what? That's a
Armin?
lose.
No.
I think that's a lose number. Lower. Let's use 100. Bro, do not look! Okay.
Let's 600.
Nah, lower. Let's go for 55. 55. Let's go. Did you choose 2 for some reason?
Good.
27.
Oh my god.
Go! For some reason, someone's laughing. Nothing wrong. I just lowered. Did you pick 34? Are you confusing me, bro? 275. Oh my god. That's
Bro!
oh, you picked 36?
Yeah. What number?
I picked 358. You're close at you guess the 466. Ouch. Let's play another game. What did he pick? Or is just live?
That one must flip back.
I'm gonna pick 6-7 for some reason. I picked 6-8. 6-8. Nah, 6-7. You're going down. Bro, you picked. Oh my god. I don't care, dog. I don't freaking care right now. Wow, Gojo is playing right now. Nah, that's not good. So guys, I wanna leave this game. Okay, wait guys, we're gonna find. Yeah. Just gonna post the video right now. I'm just gonna break in. Hello guys, I'm recording. Am I recording? What the hell? Am I recording? Yes or no?
You're recording.
Hello,
That's
guys.
more than 8 minutes.
Hello guys.
So maybe I'll play knockout.
I'm playing the chess club. The chess club. The chess club. I'm gonna play the what is this game? I don't know this game, dog. This is chess. AI, just hate it. I don't know what am I thinking, but I'm just breaking, okay? Oh, what the heck? Great game.
Oh, I Hey, go.
Okay, then go. Bro, someone's noisy right here. I'm not cool with it. I don't wanna be one. I don't know what am I freaking doing, but yeah. I'ma just eat it. Oh, oh my god. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, okay, bro. Okay, dog. I'm gonna take my piece king now. Oh. Oh, he didn't know this. Well, he can't hit my palm. Oh, yeah. Okay. Rainbow. Oh, my turn. I know, so close to that. Come on. I need to check right. This is the freaking house here. I know what I'm doing, guys. I know what not doing. Okay, I know what not doing. And this, I'm not gonna eat it. Okay, bro. I wanna eat this. Oh, stop! You hurt. You bite, I bite. I lost. Right here! Wait. No, not me, though. I have too many. Bro, stop! I don't want to get bitten! Okay, guys. I think this is enough. Stop! Chin, naglalaro ako, Chin! Hello, guys. I think I'm done. This is 1FM. Remember, my name is 1FM. 1FM out.